First of all, I would like to thank the decision makers for the great honor of being an adjunct professor. I'm really very excited about it, and it motivates me even more to do more. I think where we can collaborate is that we can combine the academic knowledge with the practical insights of the industry. And this collaboration can be of multiple benefits to students. We can share our industry knowledge, they can get to know the industry. There is a lot of myth about the pharmaceutical industry, and we can really share what we really do and what we really don't do. And then the students can get practical experience by doing internships with us. And then also with the faculty we can have an academic exchange, so we can also learn from the academics. First of all, we can put the academics into practical life. Let's say if students learn about quality systems or about ethical systems, we can show them how this looks like in an industry. The second is we offer internship programs where students come to us in our different areas, in our commercial offices, in our manufacturing site. They work alongside us. They really can practice how it looks like to work in the industry. And then last but not least, we also offer job opportunities. So those students that we get to know eventually might end up working with us. I would say the commitment is amazing. I was never expecting that there would be so many participants from management and also from the faculty, different professors listening to the lectures, also actively participating, asking questions, and with that they also inspire the students. First of all, I would like to say that Novartis needs all different kinds of faculties. Medicine is important, pharmaceuticals is important, pharmacists is important, but we have need for HR experts. We have IT, Global Service Center, we have a manufacturing side, so engineers can come in. So a very broad variety of students can really find an opportunity in Novartis. They get selected for the internships based on their skills, on their knowledge, but mostly also on their attitude. Values and behaviors, attitude are very important, and those are also a key selection criteria. I have to say I'm very surprised, positively surprised by the response of the students. I was a bit concerned that they might be intimidated, that they might not ask questions. They are very active, they ask a lot of good questions, also critical questions, things that the population might have on their mind, so they don't shy away from difficult questions, and there's very good debate. And I think this debate in itself is already a learning experience. I'm very happy, I'm very excited. We have a lot of active participation, good questions, both from students as well from the faculty. And what I really like as well is there is almost like a small fan club of people who keep coming back. And the benefit of this is that they will really get a deep insight into the industry because we go into different departments, into different areas that we work in, and they can really learn everything, so they get a very broad knowledge. I keep saying to the students that of course we need pharmacists, of course we need medical doctors. Now what you studied is not necessarily always a predictor of what your career is. We need human resource experts, we need IT experts because we have a global service center building up here in Kuala Lumpur that will eventually employ 200 to 300 people. We have a huge Alcon manufacturing site for contact lenses. They need engineers. So I would say all the faculties, also business administration, sales, marketing. We have a broad variety of students that we really need and that we would like to engage with, that we would like to invite to participate and maybe eventually work for us.
when you meet the students?
There is various criteria. One is, of course, the grades that they have. What we also look at, what else do they do? Do they have extracurricular activities, or do they just what's needed? So that comes back to attitude and values and behaviors. We look at that as well. And then really, what is their level of engagement? How do they present themselves? How they groomed? What are their presentation skills? So it's really knowledge, attitude, and presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for the honor.
Very
Thank you.
good.
Share something from yourself. Yeah? Should we sit down here? And then there are collaborations also with universities. Now, the question is always, do you want to discover within Novartis as a part of a research program, or outside? I mean, there is different ways of doing discovery. You can have your own discovery, and it's very exciting for us that you publish, and you would eventually be approached maybe by our scientists.
It's because
As I said earlier, we do much more than just basic research.
Because we are in the third year. I'm in the third year, and she's in the third year as well.
Yeah.
And we are handling quite a few number of programs this year, in which we are looking for sponsors. And we are a pharmaceutical company, right? So we are wondering, what do actually pharmaceutical company look in when they are giving the sponsorship? What actually makes the application successful or rejected?
It depends what type of sponsorship you're looking at. I mean, if you refer to, let's say, investigator-initiated sponsorship, then what we look at is the protocol sound? Is the scientific hypothesis sound? Do we feel that you have the capacity and the resources to actually conduct it properly? And then also what it is that you need from us. Do you need substance, drug substance, or do you need money or machinery? It depends. So basically the research goes through different evaluations, mostly scientific evaluation. Proposals with vaccines, because how can we help? We don't have the expertise, so that would be somebody else.